How to transfer items between accounts in Roblox. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can transfer items between accounts in Roblox. So let's get started with the video. Firstly, open up your Roblox application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. So to transfer some of your items of your inventory to another account, what you want to do is tap on the more icon at the bottom right corner and from here go to inventory. In here you can select the accessories that includes hair, clothes or more. However, if you want to transfer it, you will see there is no such option as transfer given to you. Now what you can do is go back, then go to the help and safety section, then from here tap on help. So if there is a place that you want to share, that means your own place, then you can easily transfer between accounts by heading over to your Roblox studio. However, when it comes to the transfer of items, you will not be able to transfer it between accounts in Roblox, but you can easily purchase it by the another account to do so. That's it for the video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.